Good evening. Welcome to Wednesday. My son just had a bath and he's all wrapped up in his cute, awesome Superman towel thingy. Let's check him out. Omi just gave him an awesome bath. Let's see, can we see? There he is, all wrapped up in his little Kal-El blanket. You can see kind of, yeah, there it is. My little Superman. And today, speaking of Superman, I didn't actually plan this, but they released on YouTube today a new 13 minutes of like behind the scenes, like interviews and stuff about the new Man of Steel movie, which I am super excited to go see. It looks awesome. So yeah, and yeah, see, Obi's gonna learn German. Obi's gonna be able to like yell and argue with us in German, and I won't know anything he's talking about. I'm gonna have to learn German now, like for reals, not just talking about it. It's a good thing that we got wifey Rosetta Stone for her birthday. We need to kind of use that, but we have it. Whoa, goodness! Oh, what's up?
He doesn't like his face washed.
Oh, don't like your face washed. All right. Well, let's go get you dressed. Yeah. Yeah? Yes, please put some clothes on me. Yeah, that's what he says.
Talk.
You gonna talk? You gonna talk to everyone?
You gonna talk to Daddy?
I know I'm gonna yawn. I'm tired. Put some clothes on me and let me sleep. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. That's my son. That's what he was whining about. He just needed to burp. He just needed a burp. See? That's all you need sometimes is a good burp. I'm telling you. I can't get away with something like that. Anyways, silliness. And our cats still haven't really learned. They're getting closer to using the little door, which you can't really see because it's so dark. But there it is right there. And they still, yeah, she's not really sure about it. She's not, I don't know. But if I hold it open, she'll go through. Like, go ahead. Go on, Spike. No? Go on. Yeah, she's like, oh, what's that stinky foot? There you go. Yeah, she'll figure it out. Anyways, enough of that. How was your day? Have a good Wednesday. See you Thursday.